This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook plum jam. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe plums, 4 cups of granulated sugar, and the juice from 1 fresh lemon. Begin by thoroughly washing your plums, then carefully remove their pits and chop them into smaller, manageable pieces. Don't forget to sterilize your canning jars and lids. A quick 10-minute boil will do the trick, ensuring your jam stays fresh. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your prepared plums, the 4 cups of sugar, and the lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, making sure to stir constantly to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Continue cooking for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the plums have softened and the mixture begins to thicken beautifully. Knowing when your jam is perfectly set is crucial. Before you even start cooking, pop a few small plates into your freezer to get them nice and cold. When you think your jam is ready, spoon a small amount onto one of these chilled plates. Return the plate to the freezer for about 1 minute. Then, gently push the jam with your finger. If it wrinkles, you've achieved that perfect, luscious set. If not, continue simmering and retest. Finally, it's time to preserve your delicious homemade plum jam. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe the jar rims thoroughly. This is essential for a proper seal. Secure the lids and bands tightly, then process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This ensures your jam is shelf-stable and ready to enjoy for months to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.